It was a week before the first snow came when I paid a visit to Lake Komuke. I was too late to see the red of the blooming coral grass, but the temperature made for an enjoyable autumn walk. Komuke comes from the Ainu name Komuke to, meaning curved wetland. Like many of the lakes and lagoons along the Okhotsk coast, Komuke is brackish water, so the locals use it to fish for flatfish and raise oysters. The main lake is surrounded by acres of wetland, resident to many different species of birds. During the year, migrating birds also stop by Komuke to feed and rest their weary wings. Over a year, as many as 170 different species of birds can be seen here. For a while, a flamingo even lived here, escaped from a nearby zoo. Seals sometimes enter the lake, sheltering from the Okhotsk Sea and giving birth to pups. In the spring and summer, wildflowers bloom, and in the autumn we can see coral grass. If you want to see the wildlife or the flowers, or even if you need a good camping spot, I recommend Lake Komuke. It's far from many things, and that's just about right for me. I'll see you next time.